There we're going to graph a linear function, for example, 2x plus 3. Now, in order to graph a linear function, one of the easiest ways is just to make a table. So I'm going to do this step by step and listen carefully. So step 1 is to make a table. What does making a table mean? Well, making a table is basically just having your x and y coordinates or basically values in a table. So on the left side, I'm going to put the x values, on the right, on the y values. I'm going to start with 0. And you might be asking why 0? Because when I give this function 0, when I put 0 instead of x, I actually get my y-intercept, right? Because the y-intercept is the point at which x is equal to 0. So 2 times 0 is going to give me 0 plus 3. That should be equal to 3. So 0 and 3. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is to base your table around 0. What I mean by that is now I'm going to choose one value before 0, which is, for example, -1, and one value after 0, which is, for example, 1. The next step is, as you guys know, is to put them inside your function and see what y values you get. So if instead of x I put -1, 2 times -1 plus 3 is going to be -2 plus 3, which is 1. If I put 1 in there, 2 times 1 plus 3, that's going to be 2 plus 3, which is 5. All right. The next step is to just draw your graph and plot the numbers on it. So this is gonna be my y-axis. This is my x-axis. I've got 0, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and then 1, 2, 1, and 2 on my x-axis. All right, so 2, 3, 4, 5. The first point is 0 and 3, which is right here, my y-intercept. I have -1 and 1, which is right around here. Then I have 1 and 5, which can be connected right around here. So this is 1 and 5. This is -1 and 5, -1 and 1. And that is my y-intercept, 0 and 3. The next step is to just connect these lines. You can use a ruler, or if they are, so right now as you can see, all right, I'm just going to connect them up, and there is my graph. As you can see, the 1 and 5 is a bit off, but you should be able to get them right when you draw them correctly as you spaced them. That's it, and thank you for watching.